How to scan a QR code on iPhone. So there are actually two steps. First is you're gonna go here to your photos and make sure to save that QR code. Then after that is, for example, this one, this is actually, of course, this is a QR code. Then here on the bottom right corner of that image, you will see this icon. All you have to do is to click on that and then long press on the QR code, and this will pop out. And here, all you have to do is to click on open in Safari, and you will be redirected to that specific QR code. Now, the other way is for you to use your camera here, and then make sure to just set it up here. It will look like this. And here, as you can see, once we put the camera on the QR code, you can see the link here. There will be yellow button here. Then once you click on that, you will then be redirected to that specific QR code. And basically, as you can see here, we are now redirected to the link. And basically, that is it. And that is how you scan a QR code on iPhone. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.